Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be going through all current known March Boxycharm spoilers, Boxycharm Premium, and Boxyluxe all in one video. We're going to go into as much as I possibly know, including spoilers that came out today, which when you guys see this will be yesterday, but we're going to do all of that in one video. Plus, if you look right here, nope, wrong way. If you look right here, you will see an Ipsy X box, a Boxycharm Premium box, and two Look Fantastic boxes full of products. I'm doing a big giveaway here and over on my Instagram. So if you want to enter to win one of those 4 prizes, the easiest way to do it is like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and you'll be entered to win one of 2 of those boxes. The other 2 I'm giving away over on my Instagram, so make sure you are following Glam over on Instagram so you do not miss the giveaway announcement. Now that we got all that out of the way, if you want to jump into the spoilers with me, stay tuned. Okay, so I don't forget anything, I'm going to pull my notes up. So first, we're going to talk about the March base box spoilers. The first 2 you guys already know because they are choice items. The first is the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. I have actually used this mascara. I reviewed it on my channel a very long time ago. I personally did not like it because the brush was massive. You guys know I prefer more of a small wand, and this is an absolutely massive mascara brush. But if you're one of the people who likes the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, you might like this one. I personally just find it to be a little bit too big, and it does a little bit too much that my lashes look a little spidery from it. Not my choice. The other item is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. Banana is one of those ingredients that I try and steer clear of. I have had a severe, distaste for all things banana my entire life. My mom will even tell stories about how me as a baby wouldn't go near the scent of anything banana, and that has not changed. So neither of these products really excite me, and they were the choice items for base. So those of you who have already put in your choices, you already know about these 2 products. Personally, neither of them are products I would personally pick. Though looking at it, I would probably go for the souffle because I feel like more people would like that, just for me to throw it in a giveaway. So the next 2 products are confirmed variations for the base box. I will link a video I did up here of a bunch of spoilers that I did a while back. But back then, we didn't know what boxes were going where, what products were going to be in what tier, or what month. So you might have seen these as spoilers already, but we're going to talk about where they're going specifically. The first is from 111 Skin, and it is the Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel. Now, this looks really promising as a skincare product. 111 Skin has yet to make something I haven't liked. We've gotten sheet masks from them. They have a hyaluronic booster, which is basically an essence and hydration in one that I am still using to this day over in my bathroom. I love it as a product, so I'm excited to get my hands on this. The other product is from Lime Crime. It is the Venus 4 palette. Yes, it is. I'm sorry, it's the Venus 3. You know, the text on my phone was so small, it's a problem. The Venus 3 is very pretty. I actually don't know where mine is. I received one as a gift, I want to say 3 years ago, and in the move down here, I have no idea where it is. I have used it before. I used it on my channel and did a whole tutorial with it. The formula is nice. The colors are very pretty. I like that it's neutrally purple. You guys know, my vibe is neutrally purple. So I am totally here for this kind of a palette. But unfortunately, I don't have mine in front of me to swatch for you or show you today, but I promise if I get it in my box, you will absolutely see me use it. Now jumping into the choices for Boxyluxe. There are a few, so bear with me. The first is from choice 1. You had the choice between the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Foundation, which mine was over here. There it is. You guys know I've been using this for years, ever since it launched. I will say that it is definitely better for more oily skin as it is a matte foundation, but with the right blend of highlighters or radiance products underneath, if you start with a face oil and make sure you're not overly setting it, and then you're misting it heavily with some form of oil-based refresh mist, you probably won't have an issue with it, but personally I find that it is much more better suited, much more well-suited. It is better suited for oily skin. Also in that same line, there is the Maylis Cosmetics B Flat, which is a Mind Your Body flattening and toning gel. I personally find these body toning creams to be a little gimmicky, not really something I ever have interest in, but for a Boxyluxe, it makes sense. If you are not aware, BoxyCharm, as far as like the base box, is kind of a mixture of everything, but it tends to lean more makeup. The BoxyCharm Premium tends to be a bit more on the skincare side. There's definitely a lot of makeup in both, but if I was to look at one, base tends to be more makeup and Premium tends to be more skincare. And Luxe is a little bit of everything, but they like to put in these weird lifestyle-y things too. They've put in hair tools, they put in brush sets, but they've also done a lot of really cool skincare and these gimmicky products as well. Ice rollers, the works. In the same line, there is the Pure Cosmetics Precious Metals Dry Oil, which, I mean, it looks refreshing. I like a dry oil. I mean, I just held up the one from Pixi. Dry oils are great because it adds hydration to the skin without having you feel greasy. So for those of us with oily skin, we can still use it, unlike a lot of oils that are not dry oils that just make us look shiny. The other two items in this line are the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Face Primer, which I had a makeup artist that I used to work with. Her name was Charlie. She used to rave about the Pure Cosmetics primers. So even though I have not tried this one, I am excited to get my hands on because there's not a single product that she recommended that I tried that I didn't end up loving. So definitely someone whose opinion comes very highly rated from me. And the last item is the I Love Skin Ink Glow Drops. Take it or leave it. These honestly just look like an illuminating type product, which I am loving the ones from Jecca Black that came in, this might have been an Ipsy, it might have been a FABFITFUN, I don't remember. It wasn't BoxyCharm, but I love these as far as an illuminating product like that, so not really something I would go for. In this line, I would probably be torn between the primer and the Fenty foundation. Now, the next line in the same, this is going to be also for choice, also for Boxyluxe, but these products are going in a separate line. So you would have one pick of the first 5 products, and you'll have one pick of these 3. The first is the Let Your Hair Shine Mini Heat Brush. You guys know I have been embracing my natural curls, which today they don't want to play, but I've been really into my curly hair. So I don't know if I would get too much use out of the brush, but if I did get it, I would probably try it just to show you guys how it works on super curly hair. But this probably would not be my choice. There's also a makeup brush holder and the under eye ice globes. Those are the ones you like put in the freezer and you rub it on your face to help to really like eliminate puffiness and cool. Already received a face roller from Kitsch, which was in the Boxyluxe, I want to say 2 Luxe boxes ago. And I recently in my Ipsy X got the Complex Culture, it's not a jade roller, but it's like the sonic pulsation face massager that's supposed to help with your serums. So I would probably go for the brush storage if I'm being completely honest, or I would go for the dry brush just because I feel like that would be so much fun to use on camera on very, very straight or very, very curly hair. So the last Luxe spoiler that we have, this is, we've been getting teased about the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum for months. They finally revealed that this is going to be a Boxyluxe product. So for those of you, that's going to go out to every single Boxyluxe subscriber. If you have a Boxyluxe, you will get this product. Now, once again, I did link all of the products I spoke about in that, like, when is it coming video up above, but I did want to mention one more product that this is speculation. I am not 100% positive this is coming, but over on Joe's Instagram stories, he unboxed a beautiful package from Forever Mood, which is Jackie Aina's candle and luxury, like, vibe brand. I'm calling it a vibe brand because it's like lifestyle meets aesthetic. It's beautiful and the items are fantastic. And I'm really hoping it's coming to a Boxycharm because anytime he does one of those like major unboxings like that, we tend to see a product. It happened with Glow Recipe, it happened with Philosophy, it happened with Pharmacy, it happened with Dose of Colors. So anytime we see those big PR packages unboxed by Joe, they tend to be products that are coming. So I'm going to keep my fingers crossed that we're going to get those candles because I am so excited to try them. And if they don't come, I'm probably going to purchase them myself because they look like they are an amazing product. Jackie Aina is another one of those influencers where whenever she recommends something, she tends to like the same types of products I do, and she tends to avoid the same types of products I do. So all in all, I'm definitely excited to try anything she'll put her stamp of approval on, especially if she put her name on it, that it is part of her brand. Let me know what you guys think down below, and don't forget to enter the giveaway. All of those prizes are still right over there, waiting for you to claim them. Like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to enter to win 2 of the prizes, and make sure you're following me over on Instagram because the other 2 prizes will be going up any day now. It is not currently up when this video is going live. I don't like to start giveaways on the exact same day, but make sure you're following so that you can see it the second it goes up. Thank you guys again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!